start TIG welding. Kind of hard to see through, as you can tell. So I've got that one right there, but battery holder. This one's no good. Bye-bye. What we're gonna do is take this one here all apart. That comes out. That screen. Somebody just there. There's the difference. So, shield right here, and it's held in. I don't have another one of these, so I'm just going to clean and polish this one up. Clean this all up. I'm also, while we're at it, going to be using, so these ones are held in just with a couple clips. Now, like foam, that just doesn't look. There we go. Then there's rubber O-ring right there. Now, some of this had some really gross, just years of greasy use. Really think about it, it's kind of disgusting, it's all sweat. I'm gonna use a couple things to get those all cleaned up.
Remember what it was like to not know love, but now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every week a moment of blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love, but now I return. Yeah, sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and surface in light. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will beloved, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then now take a deep breath, step back, relax.
On this here, obviously you got your lighter, darker settings. Now, you can use them all for different, like, also your modes. Well, clean helmet is, you can do lots of settings. Now, for this set, well, I was going to say, for the batteries on these, if you don't know, on a couple little CR2450s, one there. Let's get this on the front. There we go.
Remember what it was like to not know